Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday. It's actually midnight and I'm filming this at midnight and you guys will see it on my birthday. So I wanted to share with you guys a couple of things that I bought myself for my birthday. If you guys don't know this about me, I started my YouTube channel revolving around fashion when I was skinnier, more confident, bigger boobs. Yeah, I started my channel around fashion. I have always just loved thrifting and I continue to do that throughout the years. So let's just go ahead and get started and let's roll.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
By the way, I did do a tutorial on this look for my Instagram. It's on my IGTV. I have been wearing this makeup all day, so it might look a little bit worn out. If you guys are interested in it, I'll go ahead and link the tutorial down below in my description box. Okay, so the first thing that I do want to mention is that I got these earrings. And these were only $7.99. These are from Target. I get a lot of my jewelry from Target because it's really cheap. This one here is nickel free, and they're just really big and sparkly. They sparkle really nice in the day. But yeah, I really like these earrings, and I also got these for $10. These are $9.99. Really cute rings. I haven't taken them out of the plastic. I was waiting for this video, but I also haven't done my nails because of the coronavirus. I just don't want to have like long nails and get stuff underneath my nails, you know? I'm just very like trying to take as much precautions, and I hope you guys are really taking care of yourselves. We are going through one of the craziest times that I have ever experienced, and I know that it's just been a while since we've experienced anything like this, and now with so much technology and like it's not the same as it was in the past. We're not going to get into that today. I did do a video talking about the virus when it first began, and I felt like a lot of people thought I was overreacting, but we're here now. And anyway, here are the rings. Super cute. My hands look so tiny without nails. But, oh fuck. I can also like just use them individually, just, you know, for pictures. One thing that I didn't get that I hope I do get is a necklace. I want a really thin necklace. Just like a really pretty thin one. I like silver, but I'm okay with gold, you know? But that's something that's still on my want list. I also got this t-shirt that I'm currently wearing. I like to use a lot of like basic t-shirts for like my mommy duties, picking up my kids or going to their games or just anything like that. I like to have a lot of basic t-shirts. I did find this one at Goodwill, and when I go to this Goodwill, it's a warehouse, so everything that does not sell in the Goodwill stores, it goes to this warehouse for like a second chance at being purchased by somebody. So you get to buy in bulk for such a like small amount. Like I think I purchased everything that I'm about to show you plus other things that I got for my daughter and just like for the household. I purchased everything for under $10. I'm going to show you guys a couple of things that I did purchase, including this shirt here. I got 3 pairs of new jeans. So this one here is the brand Aeropostale. I like Aeropostale. I don't always shop Aeropostale because it is kind of pricey. So I'm really glad that I got these jeans here. They do not have like any wear on them. They're like basically new. And I do like that they are distressed. I do wear a lot of distressed jeans. You can see that there. There's that. At the knee here it has a little distressed design. Really cute. I really wanted to get a pair of light jeans, so I'm happy that I found those. And then I also got these here. These are the brand Universal Thread, which I believe you can get Universal Thread at Target. These are also in really good condition. I feel like these are more of mom jeans more than anything. When I go out, I like to wear really tight jeans to complement my non-existent booty, but just to make it look like I have a booty, you know? But these here are really nice. They're very thick, and I feel like these are just, like I said, mom jeans. I actually paired these jeans with this t-shirt today and did the mom life. Went to go find the last bit of toilet paper in the store today. Oh, was that 2 jeans? Okay. The next pair of jeans are from the brand Can, and these here I'm looking online that they retail for over $50, and they're just a pair of black jeans. These are kind of a little bit faded, but I don't mind that because all black jeans end up looking faded. Has a little logo right here, and these are not distressed. They're just like the color's kind of distressed looking, but I don't mind it. Like, I feel like it'll look really cute for like a night out with some cute heels and like a really nice jacket. I don't know. But this is the 3rd pair of jeans. I also seen this jacket that I'm like, maybe. I just kept looking at it like maybe. And then I kept going back and forth. I'm like, ugh, somebody's gonna take it, somebody's gonna take it. So I just ended up being that person that took it. So this jacket right here has these really cute designs. You have little pineapples right there. It looks very like tropical. I just really love the design of this. It's very thick, and also I like the buttons in the front. The sleeves roll up and it has a little design right there as well. I just feel like this would look really nice with my hair really curled, and I don't know. I'm going to see if I can get a lot of good use out of this before I'm going to start going back on my Poshmark closet. I used to sell a lot of my clothes on Poshmark, and right now my space is so limited that I have to start getting rid of my clothes. Oh, I just realized there's a little birdie right here. But yeah, I'm going to start selling on my Poshmark hopefully soon. If you guys are not Poshmark, Poshmark is where you can sell your clothing, and then you can, I think you can trade as well. I remember back in the day when I started it, you could trade your clothes. So you would post it and somebody else would have something that you wanted from their closet, and then you can like trade it off so that you wouldn't have to like pay for it, you know, just for shipping. I think that they changed that though. All these things that I am showing you are from Goodwill, so keep that in mind. I got this next little top right here. This is a Brandy Melville Brendan Melville's shirt. It's a little crop top. I'm not so comfortable wearing these because I'm not like super thin anymore. My summer body's postponed till 2021 because of this coronavirus, okay? So anyway, I don't mind wearing this when I have something that's like really high-waisted. I plan to wear this with like a little skirt, a high-waisted skirt, maybe like for a beach day or just like somewhere where I'm going to be getting a lot of sun and just spring vibes, summer vibes if we have spring or summer this year, or we might be quarantined, I don't know. Speaking of summer, I also seen this really cute swim top. This one was actually brand new. It had the tags. I took them off already though. It was brand new. The reason why it was like, I think why no one purchased it was because it had a sensor from the store, and my boyfriend luckily got it off for me, so I'm really happy about that. Again, this is something I would wear with something that's like high-waisted because girlfriend over here needs to lose some weight. You know, funny thing is that when I started my channel is right after I had my second kid, and I was really thin because I was breastfeeding him, and that made me like drop all of my baby weight, and I got back to weighing what I weighed in high school, which was under 100 pounds. I'm 4'11", so being under 100 pounds is not like, oh my god, what the fuck, you need to eat. It's like okay, but now I am way overboard with my eating. But that's a really cute top. It complements my chest area because sometimes, like, you know, it just needs that extra little support there, and that kind of gives it to me. The next two items are actually, they were brand new up until I wore them. And what I got is this really cute dress right here. This one is from Target. It was only $12, and I really like that the material is very thick, especially if you have like a little bit of, you know, something on your tummy area. You want something thick so that you're not like visibly seeing all, like, you know, I don't know if you know what I mean, but I just like thick materials for dresses. And whenever I'm cleaning around my house or I'm around my house, I don't plan to go anywhere. I do like having really comfortable dresses, but I don't really mind wearing this, maybe with a jean jacket and some cute sandals for a spring day, summer day. So I think I'm going to be getting a lot of good use out of this year. And it's only $12 at Target. And I think that the dresses are also 20% off right now. I might be wrong. Check the Target app if you have it, the Circle offer app. 20% off, $12, so that's a good deal. And then also I went to PACSUN and I seen this top on the mannequin and I was like, oh my god, I have to have this. So this top, I just really love peplum tops, like this one here. In the back, it has a cinched back, so the front part of this shirt really sold me because of this area right here. When shirts have like a cinching right here, it makes your boobs look a bit bigger, and that's, I mean, I am mad at that, you know. Just the color is really pretty too for spring, and yeah, I'm excited to wear this with some cute jeans, maybe some shorts. And this one here was actually, it was $32.95. PACSUN has buy one get one half off, and I bought my boyfriend a shirt, so yeah, I got a good deal. And then last but not least, this is something that I have been wanting for I don't know how long, but I've just been dying for one, and I decided, you know what, I want to get something because I walked by, I was already at Target, and I'm like, I gotta treat myself. So I got a pajama set, and I've always wanted a satin pajama set. This here is only $24, and I really like I wanted something pink, but this is fine. I really like the polka dots. It looks really cute. It comes with this little eye mask here, and it comes with a top and the shorts. They're very, very comfortable, and the only thing I do want to say about this pajama set is that they are kind of see-through, the white one at least. Like the shorts, you can definitely see through this, so I mean, I think they're kind of sexy. And speaking of wearing sexy pajamas, there's another thing that I actually bought. Alright girl, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my skin is clearing up. I did get off birth control recently, and life's good. Life's getting back on track. I'm feeling nice. There's so much I want to talk about with the birth control that I was on, and I can't wait to talk about that with you guys because, girl, the experience I had. The other thing that I did pick up is birth control from Target. So these, I have not tried these yet. Should I review them? So this brand, I remember after I had my son, I know my body. I've been on every method of birth control. I'm not kidding you. I've tried it all, and all of them, the side effects are very bad. My body's just very sensitive, and I just can't be on birth control. So I tried this brand. It's a contraceptive gel, so it's like a spermicide. It kills sperm. What you do, not this one, okay, the first time I tried it, it's a tube and it has the spermicide inside, and it's kind of like a tampon. You put it up into your vagina, and it's good for 1 hour. So right before you have sex, you have to put it in, and if he like comes in, why am I talking? We're all adults here. If he, you know, he in you, then the spermicide will kill it and you will not be pregnant. And I tried that for 2 years after my son. No, I think it was 1 year. 1 year after my son, but you know, annoying because you have to remember to, you have to like go run and be like, hold on, I gotta go get my spermicide, you know, like, no. So I kind of got over it, and I decided to get back on birth control. I wanted to try one last method, which was the IUD non-hormonal. Try to see how that went, and I hated it. And I'll go into more details regarding that topic in another video. But yeah, so that was annoying. This one here is a vaginal contraceptive film, and it begins to dissolve instantly. It's hormone free, and it kills sperm on contact, and it's effective for up to 3 hours. Well, it's effective for up to 3 hours. The other one was effective for only 1 hour. So for this one, I feel like I'm gonna get, like, if you say it in your head, like, I'm gonna get laid tonight, you can put it in, and you know, you have 3 hours to do your magic and be like, hey babe, you know. So that's why I decided to get that. Yeah. And then, like, on top of this, like, we're on quarantine. I just got off my birth control. Like, I am not trying to have any more babies, especially in the world that we're living in. So better safe than sorry. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on my birthday. Let's just say that I just turned 21 all over again. Because sometimes, like, people ask me, like, how old are you? And it's like, I have to actually think about it because I forget. Does that happen to you guys? I feel like I just had my first baby the other day and I'm still, like, young, you know? But I'm getting to that age where I am a woman. Right now, I'm not a girl and I'm not yet a woman. I'm not a girl. But I'm almost a woman. Before you guys leave, I'm trying to be a part of the Sephora squad, basically, and I really need your help. If you can please leave a testimony, it's free, you're not gonna get spam emails. All you have to do is click the link down below in my description box. It'll direct you to Sephora's squad testimony page where you can leave a testimony saying why you watch my videos, or just how I've helped you with makeup, or what you like about me, why you love me. And that's all. That's all you have to do. Just enter your email, write the testimony, and then hit send. That will help me out tremendously in being selected as a Sephora squad member. And that would just provide me with so many opportunities. I think being a part of the Sephora squad will definitely teach me a lot. I want to learn as much as I can. I love learning new things, especially because people that are on the internet aren't always very open to share what they know. Like, for instance, if I were to ask a girl, hey, how do you do this with your videos, or how do you, like, they will not answer for the most part. So I just try to, everything that I know now, I've learned it by myself, and that's because I'm really passionate and I love what I do. And just being a part of the Sephora squad, like I said, is gonna open a lot of doors for me to teach me about the industry. So I'd really appreciate you guys' support if you can do that for me. Again, it's going to be down below in the description box. Thank you for being here, and I hope you guys have a good weekend. Stay safe. Please, please try to stay as optimistic. We're going to survive this virus. We are going to survive it, but the fact that the economy is just going downhill, that's what's really going to make an effect and an impact with what we're going through right now. If the stores close down, and like all the workers that work in the stores, like they're not going to be able to work for much longer, and if all this happens, people are just going to start going crazy. So I just really hope that you guys stay safe and don't be scared of the virus. Take care of your loved ones, wash your hands, and I will see you hopefully in my next video. Bye.